Force X. I mean, Suicide Squad. Rapid Fire Review. Suicide Squad is DC's follow-up to Batman vs. Superman. I did like it more than BVS, but it still had flaws. The plot. Amanda Waller gets a group of super criminals together to do her bidding, or she'll fucking kill them. Then they go off on an adventure. This cast is huge. I'll stick to the standout characters. Deadshot. Will Smith is Deadshot. I like when Will Smith plays bad guy. I liked him as Deadshot, but I just kept seeing Hancock. His delivery was Hancock. Did he make the right decision in doing this instead of Independence Day? Yeah. Captain Boomerang. Hilarious. Killer Croc. Fucking ferocious. I love the way he ended up looking like a man crocodile thing, but in the comics he's fucking huge. I wanted him to be like 8 feet tall, and they kept him at maybe under 6 feet. A little nitpicky, but whatever. Diablo. This dude has sweet powers with the fire shooting out of his hands and shit. I had a really good time with his backstory, and that fit in really well with the team. Rick Flag. That dude is a bitch. The Enchantress. Half the time the Enchantress was really weird and mystic and cool. The other half of the time she was stupid and awkward. I forget the actress's name that plays her, but she needs a little more practice at acting. Amanda Waller. Yes! She was everything I dreamed of. She's a heartless bitch that takes no shit from anyone. I was afraid they wouldn't capture how much of a hard ass she is, but they nailed it. Perfect. The Joker. I really like Jared Leto's version of the Joker. He's more of a gangster than anything else, but he was still weird and crazy and violent. The only issue I had was that like 80% of his scenes were in the movie trailers, and he was a little too obsessed with Harley Quinn. I like the version of the Joker that's too obsessed with himself and Batman to be obsessed with anyone else. Harley Quinn. What's up? Margot Robbie did a great job. You can tell she committed to the role. She's smart and dangerous, and her commitment totally paid off. Overall, I say go see it. When the Suicide Squad team interacted with each other, I thought it was hilarious and I loved it every second. I don't think the movie deserves the hate that it's got from the critics, but it does have flaws. The trailer showed too much shit. Oh my god, I hate that. Oh, the villain. The villain was so stupid and cliche as fuck. Literally, this line. Join me or die. Really? And the CG was just not good. Last issue I had with it, not enough Batman. Is it worth seeing in the theaters? Absolutely. It's colorful, it's fun, the music's fucking sweet. You got nothing better to do, you know? Fuck it, go see it. Rapid Fire Review, subscribe!